Hello guys, today I'm coming to you with this Apple device, iPad Pro 12.9 inch with the battery at 70% life. I'm Adriana, he's Leonardo, and in today's video he's going to replace the battery of this Apple device. Here we have the new spare part. To remove the screen, we use our Samsung official mobile dryer, applying 70 Celsius degrees during 10 minutes. We use an ultra-fine plastic pick to open a gap. After that, we use a plastic pick to cut the adhesive. We are going to see that it's not too easy to remove the screen and you have to have some experience. The trick is not to lose the temperature of the screen. If the screen loses temperature, it can be broken, so you have to apply heat again. If you don't have a mobile dryer, you can use a hot air gun or the screen separator. To remove the screen, you have to do it little by little and without any rush. This is a quite expensive screen. The price is between 250 and 300 euros, and for this reason many people are afraid of this kind of repair. The truth is that you have to lose this fear. I encourage you to start repairing iPads cheaper and then little by little do the pro ones. Even the big companies, such as Apple, may have some failure. They forgot this plastic inside. The truth is that is for the first time that I see it. Now let's check the screen. Once inside, we have to remove these 6 screws. For that, we use a screwdriver star type. We use a plastic tool and we remove the shield, which is practically like a Faraday cage against the interference. It's used like a protector for the electrostatic fields. It's frequently used in telecommunications. For this reason, it has glued on top this black type. This is the most important step of this repair. We have to remove the battery connector when we remove the flexes of the screen. And we need to do the same procedure when we connect the screen. Thousands and thousands of iPads have been damaged on this simple step. We just have to introduce a plastic pick to separate the motherboard from the battery. Now we remove the 4 screws and we get up the shields. Finally, we can separate the screen from the chassis. Now we go to the top part to remove the 8 screws. We remove the 4 flexes and the 2 coaxial cables. If you are dedicated to the mobile repair, you have to invest some money in a good screen separator. I've got in our workshop 5 units of them with different sizes. Around we apply contact cleaner. You can use any brand. We have set our screen separator at 70 Celsius degrees. We use a plastic card to cut the adhesive. For more tricks, give me a strong like and I'll continue recording real repairs on our workshop. Thank you. In the description of this video, you can find some recommendation with links from where to buy the screen separators. To avoid possible damages, you have to work cleanly. And in our case, because of the size of this device, it's very easy to work it. Here, under the sticker, we'll find another small flex. We need to be very carefully when we remove the battery because we'll find the protected shield and the screw. In order not to take too long with this tutorial, we'll use fast camera. To clean the old glue, we use isopropyl alcohol. Now we can glue the new spare part of battery, and we need to do the assembly process backward. Please don't forget this step, it's so important. You might damage the device when you connect the display's connectors.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague, we all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name, all our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be, living in a time where disease is on every screen, I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering, negativity is a plague for the mentally weak, no mercy, all I got is working, never stop searching, never quench the thirsty, I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic, you can't stop it, it's been chronic, since I was a boy so neurotic.
After we connect the two flexes of the screen, we remove the plastic card and we press the screw from the battery. Before we glue the screen, we need to check if it's working correctly.
I'm on it, I just wanna be iconic, sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah, if I ever play I want it, you know that I'm always honest, stay away from those who are toxic, keep them out your face, no way, you don't want it, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy, the enemy is everything, it's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease, but I won't let it get to me, I don't need your therapy, I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity, come on.
Here I have another trick for you. In many occasions we try to work with the original adhesive, so to reactivate it we'll use isopropyl alcohol and we apply heat with the hot air gun. Now we can glue the screen. To make sure that's glued correctly, we use again the mobile dryer. If you don't have one, don't worry. You can use the screen separator, a hot air gun, or even a hair dryer. We fitted the pliers a little so that the screen stays fine.
I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, nah, unlikely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they...
We wait about 4 hours and then we clean the screen. Guys, here's Leonardo. This was today's video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.
I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness.